Hey guys, welcome to this session. This session is on delegates. So, delegates are used to communicate between the classes. If you want to pass any data from one class to another class, then delegate is the best approach. And delegate is exist everywhere within the iOS ecosystem. So most of the students or the developers they copy and paste without knowing the implementation, without knowing the actual implementation of the delegates. So here we will see that how the delegates can be used. So before knowing or before going to the code, we should know that the delegates is using protocols here, and we should know what protocols are. Protocols are actually the blueprints, and this is just like a basketball coach tells his player what to do, but actually he doesn't know how to dunk a basketball. So in the same way the protocols are having protocols says we have a method of this, but he don't know how to but he don't know how to perform those actions. So the actions are not mentioned there. He just says the prototypes or a template of a method in his body. So now we will see that how we can use a delegate to communicate. And in our earlier session, we seen that in the segue session we seen that we are passing data from first view controller to the second view controller, but we don't know how we can pass data from second view controller to the first view controller by using a delegates. So we will going to see in this video. So we will have, after this we will have a vice versa communication between the controller. So what we will do, we will just create a we will going to take a one more text field. Okay, text field. Okay, instead of uh, taking this label, yes, you can take this and we can. Okay, so taking we can, yeah. Okay, this is the text field, and here we will take one button, and what we will do, on clicking this button we will dismiss our view controller. Okay, so we can write as move to first view controller. Okay, now here it is. Okay, now this is not aligned properly. To align properly, just go to the first one, go to this views framing. Now you can see here we have a y-axis. You can set the same y-axis here. Okay, now it is aligned. Now you have to write one protocol in this second view controller. Okay, so to write protocol, we will going to use protocol keyword, and then the name of protocol. Here we will going to take name same as the his class delegate. We will write the delegate here so that we will be aware that these are the protocols. Okay, now what we'll do, we will, I think there is an error as consecutive. No, second view controller protocol. Okay, now we will write a function function send message here, and it will send a message string. Okay, so you can see that why it's I think is there an issue protocol. Okay, sorry, I misspelled the protocol. Okay, here it is. Now what we do, we have now we have created one method, or we can say that we have created one blueprint of send message. Okay, now what we'll do, we will create a delegate variable, and we'll delegate sorry delegate of second VC tab. Okay, delegate create an, it's just an instance of that protocol. Sorry. Hmm. it's it's an optional. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll create one method, one IB action for sending a message, for sending, or we can write move to first VC. Okay, this can be the appropriate functioning. Now what we'll do, we'll just write self dismiss, because we want to dismiss our view controller. It's a dismiss here. Here we will write, we want to animate this, so we can write as true. It's an completion block. After dismiss, we want to call our delegate protocol, delegate dot send message, and here we will okay, we don't have an IB outlet for the sorry, we don't have IB outlet, sorry, we don't have IB outlet text message. It should be of type UI text filled. Okay, now here we can pass this value. Now you can see that our second view controller is passed. We have created one protocol, and then we created one delegate reference of that protocol, and then okay, sorry, we didn't change that. Okay, here it is. And what we have done, when we click move to first view controller, it will dismiss the controller, and then we will pass that text to that protocol. But yet we don't we didn't define any definition for this message. So for that definition, or for the body, we will go to the first view controller, and we want to use that delegates. So before using it, please use, we don't forget to inherit that protocol. Yes, here it is. And now you have it. Now you have to confirm the protocols under this delegate. Okay, so protocol methods, all of the methods. So this is one send message. You can hear, you can see here that there is a message, there is a delegate of that protocol. Okay, now what do you want? Now you want that the message that we are getting from the second view delegate, we should assign this message to text message or text field in the first view controller. Okay, now here it is. Now there is one thing that we are missing here, that we are not confirmed, or we not assign that delegate. Sorry, we not confirmed. Not we didn't assign delegate equals to self. So what we'll do, we'll just we need to make delegate. Okay, the delegate equals to this class. Should assign this reference to this class. Reference, we need to pass the reference of that, not self, itself. Okay, okay, now we'll see that how protocols are working, and how we can pass data from second view controller to the first view controller. Let's see how it works. Yes, this is what now we will pass. Oh, test 1 2 3, and then if you click it here. Okay, I think we missed something. Let's see. Let's see what happened to that. I think we are missing something. Okay, let's see. We'll go to here. Okay. Show. Yeah. Yes, we found an issue in previous video. We are getting while navigating from first view controller, that our data is not getting passed to the second view controller. The issue was of an identifier. We haven't passed this identifier in this. So because due to this, if we see in the first view controller, when the prepare method that call, here it skip this if condition, if skip this is condition, and this code is not getting executed. So due to which our message is not get forwarded to the second view controller and passed to the new controller, and the delegate is not assigned equals to self. It's not a, so due to which not even our delegates are calling, not even delegates are calling, and even not our message is getting passed to the second next controller. So now we'll see that it will going to work it now, and it will be great. Let's see. Here it is. If you pass anything like A, B, C, and if you click on move to second view controller, then you can see here, yeah, yes, you can see that in the second view controller we have ABC here. So it's still confusing because we don't know whether we are on the first screen or not. So for that, what we'll do, we'll just add two more labels to it. So LAB label, and add this here, add the here. So we can write it first VC, okay, and we can bold, we can make this bold so that it will look nice. Yeah, here. and now we will do the same for the second view controller thing, and here we will write second. Here it is. Now we can recognize easily that we are on the first controller or a second controller. Okay, now we'll rerun our code and see. Okay, A, B, C, move to second. Yeah, you can see we are on the second view controller and we have passed this. If we add D, E, F, D, E, F, and if you move to first view controller, then you can see we have A, B, C, D, E, F. And if you delete this, delete that, and write QWERT, and we click move to second view controller, it says QWERT. So this is way so by using, you have seen that by using delegates how we can easily pass pass data from one controller to another controller. So thanks for this video.